very moody, a bit of rain in the air, and later this evening I will do at least 1 hour run. 9:15. Let's hit it. Focus. I was watching the Starship launch. It's amazing what they're accomplishing over there. I mean, look at that thing separating. Oh man, I don't feel like running, but I feel like I have to do it. Quick session, not an intensive one. It's okay, Daniel, it's okay. You will survive. It will feel fine. You will feel fine. You get all your gear with you. It's okay. It's all good. So yeah, feels better right away. Right away. So I have 20 minutes home. And we are out on our afternoon adventure. Well, 1 hour of cozy running now. Very quiet outside. Very, very quiet. Super. You know, that's exactly how it feels on my face. It's pretty interesting. Like, it feels like you're running in a stream of rain, but it's not heavy rain, but you definitely have to pull an effort in order to see through the rain. The small rain that comes. Half an hour in, got half left. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. I would say like the last 30 minutes was a 7 out of 10. Gave me a +5 number on the Garmin watch. I have no idea what it meant, but the watch seemed happy, so I went with it. Time to eat and relax, prepare for tomorrow.